Hello, hello, hello! I'm Cheesy Overlord 27, and today I'm doing an unboxing video. Sorry about it being so far away. I had it set up somehow, and it would look too weird if it was closer up. So, this box I ordered it like a month ago, I think. It is full of DVDs that I have no idea what they are. That would be fun to show you guys. Plus I'm down. So, before I begin, subscribe to the icon. You guys know what that means. So, let's open this up. I got some scissors. Let's just figure out where to open it. Okay, here. Okay. Okay. There we are. Yep, there we go. Okay, let's there. Like, let's see what I got. Let's see. Let's see what did I get. I got some stickers. I'll show you guys that in a minute. Got some cool keychains. I'll show you guys that in here as well. Let's put that there. Let's see, what is the first one? This one's called Silent Hill. Does not look good. Rated R. No, it's a horror film. So, let's see, this is called Becoming Jane. PG. Passenger 57. R, have no idea what. So that's a maybe.
You just said R.
I don't know if it's for what. See, it doesn't even say.
R pile. Keep going.
Let's see. This one is called Sideways. This is. Oh, you got an R-rated R. Let's see. Material Girls. My feeling owns this, so that should be fine. Very Bad Things. Another rated R film. How many R things are in this box? Okay, let's see. Oh, this one looks good. Agaron. Sorry if you guys get Aragon. PG. Yeah, that's good. Let's see. This one's called Weatherman. It has Nicolas Cage in it. That's good. And of course, another rated R. Okay. Let's see this one. It's called Blue Collar Comedy Tour. Rides Again. This is not rated, but I think it's like a comedy show, I think. It has Larry the Cable Guy. I guess that's okay. This one's called Tadpole. PG-13. Now let's see. This one's called New in Town. I'm guessing it's a romantic thing. PG as well. And last movie in the box. So let's put that up here. This is Radar for Violence. And that's about it. That says on there. So maybe. Never mind. I'll put it over here. Gee. Okay, so I'll show you guys the stickers I got. I don't know how many.
Make sure they're appropriate.
This is a peace sign from Canada. Air Jordan. I like this one. I know it's like from a scary movie. I just don't know which. Let's see. No idea. I don't even know if I'm holding it the right way. Montal. I have.
Monto.
Why are all of these red? Is my question.
Probably Canada.
Yeah. Ghostbusters sticker.
Ironic.
Rossi test.
Coincidence? I think not.
Don't know. Band-Aid, maybe.
Band-Aid.
Weird Star. Cartoon of an Indian. Monster. Don't know why. Never heard of Linkin Park. Rage. Weird blood squid. Hawk, I think. I don't know.
No, that one's bad.
I think.
Okay.
Oh, and plus it's so far away they can barely see it. Spider-Man. Number 4. Japan. Drifting. Cute monster. Bendy's bow tie.
What?
YouTube. Milk. Heart thing. Don't know. And Lego. And I noticed all these had one thing in common. They're all red
And white.
and yellow. Okay, so I also got 4 keychains as well, so I'll show you guys that. I got Mario. Sorry if you guys can't see this, I'll try to hold it a little closer. Let's see, what's this one? I
Better?
should have done like that. Open up! 6 minutes, okay. Cat. Another Mario. And then Garfield. Oh, and this one I especially like. The skeleton on a. Oh, hold on, let me get it
On
out.
a toilet.
Let me get that out for you. This is my favorite one out of all these keychains so far. Well, this is the other plastic thing. Come here. Come out of the packaging. Okay, hold on. Okay. This one is just funny. And that's it. That's all I got. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments or hit the like button. I don't know. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.